Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Code with Neha. So today I am back with yet another interesting topic. Hope you all will like it. So without any further delay, let's get started. In my previous video of MySQL series, I have discussed about use of subqueries with different statements such as insert, update and delete. You can check the video from the above I button. Today, I am going to discuss about how to use subquery in from clause. So, without any further delay, let's get started. Subquery in from clause. From clause can be used to specify a subquery expression in SQL. The relation produced by the subquery is then used as a new relation on which the outer query is applied for further operations. Subqueries in the from clause is used when we need to create a temporary dataset that does not exist in any physical table. This can be extremely helpful when working with complex datasets. The correlation variables from the table referenced in the outer queries from clause cannot be used directly within the subqueries in the from clause. Syntax for simple subquery in the from clause. Select column 1, column 2 from within bracket, select column X as C1, column Y from table where condition as subquery where outer condition. So let's understand this with some examples. Today I am using same table student underscore 8 database as we did in our earlier videos. First query is to fetch name and location of those students whose location starts with letter C. So the subquery select name, roll number, location from student where location like C percentile will fetch students whose location starts with C. Then the outer query selects only name and phone number from the derived table. So the query will be select name, location from within bracket select name, roll number, location from student where location like C percentile as subquery table. By running the query, you can see only Raj and Ram appears on the output table. Similarly, second query is to fetch name and phone number of students whose roll number starts from 103 onwards. So the query will be select name, phone number from within bracket select name, location, phone number from students where roll number is greater than or equals to 103 as subquery table. For the third query, I am updating the table and inserting a column marks. Third query is to fetch students whose marks is greater than average marks using subquery. So the query will be select name comma marks from within bracket select name comma roll number comma marks from students as subquery table where marks is greater than within bracket select average within bracket marks from students. Here we are using aggregate function average, so we cannot use average with where clause. Run the query, you can see the result. I will discuss how subqueries are used with join in my next video. That's it for today. Hope you all will get some help from this video. So, then don't forget to subscribe my channel Code with Neha and press the bell icon for regular updates. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy.